Hello everyone, how are we doing today? How was the mind practices going? So today we're going to talk about the heart. Yes, the heart. Heart is part of the health. And it's not just the heart as the inside boom, boom, boom organ. It's about passion. It's about love. What are you doing to keep that alive? To not just be stuck here and say, you shut up because you have nothing to say here. How do you fulfill yourself? How do you feed your passion? How do you feed your love? Love for life, love for whatever, the passion for whatever. Are you really living your passion? And living your passion doesn't mean that you have to change your life 100 degrees and leave everything just to live your passion. It means that you can put a little bit of passion in your life. I love writing. I'm not pretending to become a writer, but every day I'm doing my diary. You see, it goes together. So my passion for reading too, but for writing is covered. I want to learn how to sketch. I don't want to become a drawer or anything, so I'm taking a course, an online course to how to sketch. How do you feed yourself? How do you make that thing feel alive? You know, when you feel like, yes, I'm gonna do it, yes, yes. What do you do on a daily basis? It doesn't have to be big. What's your pleasure? How do you feel that pleasure? You deserve it, you know it, you're your best friend, and you're always there to help your best friend. So how do you help that one? How do you help him when he's feeling down? Do you say, gosh, you're so soft, you're useless? Or do you tell him, what do you need? I hear you, it hurts. What do you need for you to feel a little bit better? Take care of that. It's a big part. A life with a passion is no life. So, how do you feed your passion? Tell me and see you soon. Ciao, ciao.